So we are standing in the kitchen for a reason. I wanted to do a spring clean vlog. I wanted to do like a spring speed clean power hour vibe. I think it's so like motivational to watch others clean, and I absolutely love these videos, and I was like, let me give it a try. And it's a new month, so I think this is the right motivation to get us like all fresh and clean for spring. So I'm going to put up right about an hour and like 20-ish minutes on my timer. I feel like when I have like a countdown I work quicker, because I don't know about you, but I sometimes really get distracted with something. And if this helps, put yourself a timer on. I also like listening to a podcast, watching YouTube videos, so you can do the same. So let's get started. Okay, power hour, let's go. So starting with the obvious, dishes. I feel like it's one of those things that never ends. That and the laundry. So I am just packing away the dishes that we washed the previous night. I feel like doing that, it kind of feels like, you know, you don't have a lot on your plate to do. So I'm doing that. I like to rinse out everything before adding like the hot water to the basin. And then we have this cute little scrubby. But it feels like it's really soft and gentle on the utensils, especially the stainless steel, but it gets the job done. So I got it on Takealot. I'll definitely link it for you down below.
In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong.
And then we are moving on to the counters. Now, I'm a lover of a good like multi-surface cleaner, especially the ones that are not like so harmful to the environment. So I like this clear one from, I think it's Mr. Sheen, and this gets the job done. So it not only like doesn't leave any marks, but it also like really cleans, and it smells really, really nice. And I was wiping down like this cutting board. Yes, it's part of decor, but we do use it as a kind of like a serving platter. And if there's one tip you can take from me from this video, is to spray some like antibacterial or anti whatever on a little piece of cloth and wipe down your plugs and your switches, whether that's in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, wherever, because the amount of bacteria is insane.
Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. And you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
And then after scrubbing with that little scrubby, which is so gentle on the stove and everything, I'm going in with like a microfiber cloth. It's got like nice soft texture to it, and I'm just wiping down any marks on the stainless steel stove as well as the kettle. Like, do yourself a favor and wipe down your kettle.
That's for sure. Funny how you had the best of yours. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of this goal. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'd be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say.
And then I would like to know, do you vacuum before you like dust off all of your things, or do you dust off all of your things before you vacuum? Because the amount of dust is actually insane. Going to pack all of these PR items into like a extra large box, because the amount of boxes we have standing around in this house is absolutely insane. So I'm just sorting out the things we're going to keep, and then also some of the products that I'm going to gift away in giveaways, all for friends and family. I had to literally pause for a second, drink some water, because I'm feeling the spring. Like, I had to go change into an old t-shirt because I don't know first why was I thinking of wearing a white shirt cleaning a house, but anyways, so I just paused the timer to really chat to you. So next up is the bathroom and the room. I'm just gonna do a quick sweep of the floors and a quick mop. You might have seen those boxes over there. I actually packed out some of the products that I'm going to use. The other ones I'm just gonna gift. So all of those boxes need to stay there. It's still content that I have to film, and we are going to continue with the cleaning vlog.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me.
And the reason why I'm sweeping the floors was because the load shedding, guys. I feel like every little vlog I'm talking about load shedding, but I couldn't hoover and I couldn't vacuum the floors because of load shedding. So your girl did it the old school way. I was sweeping the floors. But tell me, are you a floor sweeper or a hoover? I'm actually using this towel cleaner from Woolworths. It's lemongrass and organic ginger, and it is so good. It's like a little bottle of spring summer, and it makes your house smell so good, like literally like a field of roses. And what I love about it is it doesn't leave any streaks. Like, you know, when you are mopping and you can literally like see the streaks on the floor, no streaks whatsoever, because it is so concentrated, but it doesn't like leave that like soapy residue. And what I also love about it, it's so good in taking away any like marks or scuffs or like anything off the floor. And you will see now, 2 sprays, leave it for a little bit, and boom, it's gone. It's really good. So on your next shopping adventure to Woolworths, get this and let me know what you think. And then I'm moving on to the bathroom. So I need to open the blinds because otherwise I feel like I'm living under a rock or something. I need to see the dust. I need to see how dirty it is in this bathroom. So I'm starting off with that clear spray again, spraying it on the shower. It takes away like the water marks and all of that from the shower doors so easily. Like you can just see it, like literally just erases it so quickly. I really like using like microfiber cloth, something that's a little bit gentle but still does the job on any surfaces, because I feel like obviously we want things to last. And do not forget the outside of the shower. You would be surprised how dirty that gets as well. And then I'm using the Brilliant Clean spray. It's also got non-abrasive ammonia, nothing like that. And I'm just spraying that on like all of the stainless steel and in the bathroom, closing that door and let it like soak for a while. And moving on to the mirror, I'm going to show you this magic tool that I use to clean the mirror with those little dust particles. It is the Addis glass cloth, like what you would use on glasses, like drinking glasses, works wonders on mirrors or any surface, really, stainless steel surface, whatever. You want to get those like fuzzy things off, that.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Right? You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this.
And then keeping the toilet fresher for longer, I use these ultra efficient like stick-on tabs from Pick n Pay. This is in the scent Pine, and oh my goodness, it literally smells like a forest. Like, it's so clean and fresh. So we just literally paste that little tab in the toilet. You clean the dry off the bowl and it smells amazing, like with every flush.
I make it worth the while. Take a real close look now. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else.
And as I was sweeping, the power came back on and I almost started dancing. So I could finally use the vacuum just to like quickly like suck up those dust bunnies, because I don't know why, but in winter they are so much more prevalent in the house. It's absolutely insane. Vacuuming like all of the corners and skirtings before I go in with the microfiber mop and that same towel cleaner.
Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. Ooh, I know, you know, we kick it like no one else.
And what would a deep clean, speed clean be without stripping the bed bare and washing the bed and adding new sheets? And I feel like there's nothing nicer than getting into a clean, fresh, crisp bed and you just, I don't know, automatically you are fast asleep. So I'm actually using this spray. This is like a pre-wash spray for like odors, colors, stains, whatever. And I spray it like on the bedding, I spray it on our clothing, and it really helps to remove like those unwanted stains underneath the arms, like I said, the collars. So definitely try that out, or if you have an alternative that you would like to share, you can definitely do that. And I love to use it on my makeup cloths as well. And the washing powder we use is the Classic one. I feel like it doesn't like give me that weird like stains after washing the laundry, and it definitely makes the clothing smell so nice. And it also like doesn't like bleach the clothing, like, you know, like what I mean, like after a while of washing your clothing it kind of looks like it started to bleach the clothing. That doesn't happen. So popping in a laundry load, getting that done while I am just going to spray the bed with this very nice room spray. We got it from Rosemary Hill. It literally smells like rosemary's, and I could not recommend this enough. I just finished. That is a full workout. Like obviously I feel like filming a speedy clean takes up a little bit more time because you have to set up the camera, you have to set up the angle, zoom in, change the angles, like all of that. So that's why it took me an extra that's why it probably took me like an extra 20 minutes. But the house is clean, it smells fresh, I got a workout in, so much lighter. I feel like now we can like start kind of like decorating for spring, buy some beautiful flowers. I'm very excited for spring. Like I feel like in South Africa spring feels like summer, like it's winter and then summer. Like it's absolutely crazy. Like today's 30 degrees. And honestly, if you are stressed, if you are bored, if you have to clean, then just put on a timer. It really works. You kind of like work against time and it's like, oh, I need to finish this. But on that note, I also just wanted to talk about some aftercare. So basically just what I mean is the aftercare of your cleaning tools. So I did clean the broom. So the moment load shedding like stopped, the power is back on, I just kind of took the little vacuum cleaner and just literally just vacuumed the broom. We will wash this like every now and again. Also, it also keeps, you know, fresh for longer, and your cleaning tools kind of like keep fresh for longer. We've had these kind of like mop, we've had them for a very long time, so it is time to change that out. They also go in the machine on like the longer cycle, like the deep clean cycle, so they are gonna have a little bit like wear and tear and everything like that. I just feel like it's important to like after cleaning to clean out your cleaning tools. Oh my gosh, how many times can I say cleaning? As well as with the vacuum cleaner. We have this small little guy, it's got a lot of power, and I feel like washing this and cleaning this out like after every second to third use also like prolongs the life of your cleaning tools. So yeah, that's my Sarette tip of the day for cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you have like any like cleaning tips that you would like to share with everybody else, please do share them in the comments. I appreciate every tip for cleaning, for product use, even like tips for other products to use in like your bathroom. Like I said, like I'm all about like using like more like eco-friendly products that's not as harsh on the environment. I actually wanted to show you this as well. We got this from Faithful to Nature. So this is a dishwashing liquid. It's called Triple Orange, and it's made like all up from like organic products, and this literally smells like orange juice. And it oh, they actually say the ingredients. It's made from orange oil, coconut oil, cocoa glucose, water, citric acid, and plant cellulose. So if you're interested, I will also link this as well as like the sprays and everything that I've used. I will leave in the description for you. And so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to finish my water, have something to eat, and I will check you in the next video. Bye guys.